Hey there! If you are diving into the world of AI and data indexing in 2025, you have probably heard of LlamaIndex and LangGraph. But which one is better? Let's break it down. LlamaIndex is your go-to for structured data indexing. It's fast, efficient, and perfect for applications like search engines and recommendation systems. Its strength lies in handling large-scale data sets with ease. On the other hand, LangGraph shines in unstructured data. It's designed for natural language processing, making it ideal for chatbots, sentiment analysis, and language models. Its flexibility allows you to adapt to complex language patterns. So which one is better to you? Actually, it depends on your needs. If you are working with structured data and need speed, go with LlamaIndex without hesitation. But if your focus is on the language and unstructured data, LangGraph is the winner. Both tools are powerful in their own right, and the best choice depends on your specific use case. So evaluate your project requirements and pick the one that fits. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.